Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of Austin My underscore 238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. So, I'm sorry it's the afternoon, so good afternoon. So, last night I was having a little bit of a problem. I did have a fever, so my mom took me back to the ER, see what's wrong with me. So, apparently that I need a CAT scan. So, also blood work. But good news is my blood levels are coming down because of antibiotics that hit me, so it did lower down. So yeah, but it's getting back to normal. And also, according to the CAT scan, we got some good news, but everything is okay. So yeah, they're keeping it the same. So yeah, but one of the nurses said it's okay to go home. But guess what? I did have an IV yesterday. One is right there, and one I took it out. Actually, the nurses took it out on my hand. So yeah, but I'm okay. I'm still in the hotel. So yeah, and also I'm still feeling better. So good thing I'm gonna be safe to be flying home. So yeah, but right now I'm watching Paige Mr. Mello. So I'm thinking today I'm going to watch the Xbox and Bethesda game showcase. So yeah, but it is almost a week later since I didn't watch Xbox and Bethesda game showcase. So probably to do a reaction and see the games have already been revealed. If that happens, then I'm going to stream, or maybe I can stream quietly. So yeah. But anyway, once I got done watching Paige and Mr. Mello, I gotta watch Xbox and Bethesda game showcase. Oh, by the way, I have to put music on here. Alright guys, here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
This game revealed gameplay footage from Forza Motorsport. So yeah. Oh, and by the way, I played Forza Horizon 5 before I actually left town, so I like Forza Horizon.
through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
No way, they're revealing Hot Wheels? No way! Forza Horizon 5 Hot Wheels! Holy crap!
Life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways,
seen this earthquake trailer of Soulfield. Oh my goodness.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the.
Oh my god, so I just sat down watching Xbox and Bethesda Game Showcase. And yes, this whole thing, I think it's dedicated to Storyfield, but also Forza Racing 5 Hot Wheels expansion is coming July 17th, and also Redfall, and also partnering it with Kojima Productions, which I'm most excited about. And they haven't sold the game yet, but they're working on the game. And then after that, we're partnering with Atlas for Persona games from the creators of Trauma Center and Trauma Team and Shin Megami Tensei. So yeah, but I will do a gaming update once everyone leaves. I will do a gaming update. So probably still gonna take more time just to get it set up and get started on the gaming update. I haven't done gaming update in the hotel, out of town. So I'm not doing any gaming, just a gaming update on my gaming channel. So if you wanna come on to my gaming channel, if you like gaming, just go over to Treatment One Gaming channel. So yeah. So here it is. I got 2 fish sliders from White Castle, and one over there. I think I have the burger sliders. I think it's over there. That I'm gonna eat it. So yeah. Look at this, guys. Brownie on the stick. I'm just gonna have for dessert. So my mom was out. She went to Fashion Show Mall. That was on the strip. So my mom went to the Apple store and we decided we could get some fun watch bands, maybe some Nikes. So I just got this new pink Nike watch band, and I forgot to look it up on the Apple website. So I think it is called Pink Oxford Rose Whisper Nike Sport Rose. Oh, it's sport band. So let me say it one more time. This is the Pink Oxford Rose Whisper Nike Sport Band. And also my mom got, I think it looks like a green watch band. So I don't know. This is called the Olive Gray Cargo Karaoke Nike Sport Band. So we're mixing and matching. So yeah. So we got both of these bands. So you can use that as for mixing and matching. So yeah, this is so cool. Also, there's a Build-A-Bear that is inside Fashion Show Mall. I got this Las Vegas shirt for the Bears, and yes, I can dress them up when I get home. And yes, I will try to do a haul. I know it's a huge one, so yeah. But I believe one of the Build-A-Bear people did talk about the Las Vegas Bear that is coming exclusively to Vegas, Build-A-Bear Workshop. So I'm excited to get the Las Vegas Bear from Build-A-Bear Workshop in Vegas. Of course, I wasn't there because I gotta be busy in Wichita, my hometown. So once I'm in Vegas, I will try to get the Las Vegas Bear from Build-A-Bear Workshop in Vegas. But overall, we really like this watch band. This is from Apple Store at Fashion Show Mall, but they have on the foreign shops. So yeah, but Fashion Show Mall will do. So this Nike watch band this is part of her birthday present for my mom. So yesterday was her birthday. So yeah. So this is a late birthday gift for my mom for the Apple Store. So yeah, happy birthday, mom. So by the way, Fashion Show Mall is the biggest mall in Vegas Strip. So my mom just right there. I haven't been here. So my mom did call me FaceTime, and that Fashion Show Mall is huge. And they have Build-A-Bear, they have Apple Store there, they have GameStop, they have Victoria's Secret, they have Pink, they have Bath and Body Works, everything. Plus, there's even a one-way downstairs, so it kind of looks like a fashion show. Oh my gosh, I just finally got done doing gaming updates on my gaming channel, so it should be uploading right now, but the internet's taking about a little slow upload to get it up. So it's okay, I'm still uploading, so yeah. But go check out, it's on Treatment One, the games channel. And yes, the commentary looks a little meh, but I will try better next time once I get home. But I know guys, I gotta go ahead and start wrapping up this vlog. Gotta relax tonight. Maybe try to freshen up or something. So yeah, I gotta start wrapping up the vlog right here. So got about a few more days left until I go home on Monday. So yeah, finally gotta go home and rest in my own bed. So yeah, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe for more videos and more content. And the vlogs will be in the cards right here. And remember, it's all pictures one to me. And it's watching peace. Bye bye. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Bear Kim 17's channel. Until next time, peace.